Hey there everybody, Pastor Padron here. Today I want to do a little video on how to light cigars. And I have here in my nicotine-stained fingers 2 Padron 3000 Maduros. Pastor Padron loves Padron, as you might imagine. And I'm going to show you how to light the one with a torch and the other with a soft flame lighter. Soft flame could be a cedar strip, it could be a match. In this case, it's going to be my DuPont, but I want to show you how to do this so that you get the best enjoyment out of the cigar. Tobacco is like a sponge, and it absorbs the different flavors and smells around it. So if you hurry and light your cigar and hold your torch up to the end and you see flames shooting up the side like that, and you basically burn it, you're going to taste that. It's going to affect how the cigar tastes. Now, think of it like you're toasting a marshmallow. You want to get that marshmallow kind of a nice golden brown color. If you're like my girls, you like to put the marshmallow on a stick, stick it into the hottest part of the fire, make a big flaming torch out of it, blow it out, and then eat it. Now, if you like the taste of carbon, maybe that's good, but I don't. And that's not how cigars were meant to be done. And see the flame there? The hottest part of the flame is actually above what you can see. So don't hold your lighter right up to the cigar. Hold it at a little angle like this, light it, and move it until you just see it starting to touch the cigar. Right? You're not wanting to see a flame on the foot. You're just wanting to kind of rotate it around until you get this nice cherry take a few puffs. Look at the cigar, you should see it nice, lit even. There aren't any stripes going up the cigar. It's a nice burn line. There's no darkness around it. That means you lit it right, you lit it even, and you're going to taste that when you smoke it. I do love Padron. Now, let's show you how to do that with a soft flame lighter. Same kind of thing. I prefer using a soft flame lighter. Torch burns at around 1400 degrees. Give a few degrees either way. Some are a little bit cooler, some are actually hotter. Soft flame burns at about 700-800 degrees. Tobacco burns around 900 degrees. So a torch is actually a little hot. The soft flame is actually a little cool. But it does not really take all that much longer to light a cigar with a soft flame. Just hold it underneath the cigar. Just like with the torch, the hottest part of the flame is actually above what your eye can see. Move it around the foot there. Get it nice and heated up. Nice and toasted. You'll see some smoke coming off of it. And then just like that. Nice cherry. No stripes up the cigar. Nice even burn. Both of those are going to burn really, really well. And I will enjoy them both immensely. Hope this helps, and we'll talk to you again soon.